Marketing and advertising mean the same thing on social media.
Yeah, and that's a massive misconception. I think people use those words interchangeably, and I might have today. But advertising is a part of marketing. So marketing is a broad term that talks about everything that I always say every touch point your logo could be on is marketing, right? So putting signage on your building is marketing. You're like, so where advertising is just the paid component of marketing. So it's just one component of it. When you're putting a strategy together, your paid portion of your spend, anything is your spend would be your advertising. Everything else falls under the marketing umbrella.
And I don't have anything else to add to that. I completely agree. So, busted. Marketing and advertising mean the same thing on social media. No, they do not.